In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create email flow with Klaviyo. To do that, first head over to klaviyo.com, and from in there, you just need to actually get access. You can get a demo right here or also log in or sign up for an account through this page as well. Enter right here your email address and then just sign up for an account. Once you have access, it should be able to look like this on your dashboard. To create an email flow, click on the Flows tab right here on the left sidebar. Once you have clicked on this, click on this Create Flow option. It will appear. And then they should be able to show you right here the creation flow. Now let's choose right here the Build Your Own option. So click on Build Your Own. And then let's name this right here based on what we want. Let's name this Email Flow. Click on Create Flow. After that, they should be able to create right here a blank page. And in this case, you can just choose a trigger event that starts a flow. Like for example, someone has actually viewed the product. Let's add it as a trigger. Then add right here the trigger filters as well as the profile filters. Save this and confirm. And here we have our trigger. Next, we just need to actually input right here the flow elements. So in here, you can just input the flow element directly from this case. You can add in here some options like webhooks, time delays, and logics as well. On this case, let's choose right here email, then add it, then click on the setup, then change the name of the email as well as the subject line. For example, let's input right here, you might be missing out. Then input right here the preview text, edit the sender, and you can also select a template that you wish to use. Once you're done with this, you can just update the status of this and publish this directly. So that's how you create email flow with Klaviyo. Hope we help.